So we do Hebrew through movement every time our students come, kindergarten through 6th grade. So the younger kids in our program are there once a week. The older kids come twice a week. Every single time they come to JQuest, they're doing Hebrew through movement. It's about 10 to 15 minutes at a time. And I have 2 Hebrew specialists who go around to the different classes and lead it, with the exception of a couple of my classes where the teacher is a fluent Hebrew speaker that did the training through JECC and does it for her own students. But in almost all cases, with like 1 or 2 exceptions, the specialists come around and do it. I will say that the goal of Hebrew through movement is to start with this oral learning, to get it into your mind and your body, to really hear it and to do it. But it does eventually move to print literacy. So we do, starting in 3rd and 4th grade, we start to add in a little bit of visual print cues, but much more so in 5th and 6th grade, where the teacher will say lakum and hold up a sign that says lakum, and then over time they can hold up the signs and the kids know what to do. Those are sight words. We're not working on like lamed and kuf and whatever. It's just that they build up those sight words just like we have in English. So we do start that in the later years.